Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology and the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on Care Sangri Pickle and the capacity building component of PM-FME scheme. Capparis decidua is commonly known as care are the berries that can be eaten. Care berries ripen from a small green berry no bigger than a peppercorn to a much larger capper the size of a blueberry. When at its largest, the fruit ripens from green to white, lastly settling on a light cherry red. Sangri are the bean-like pods of the khejuri tree, which is a thorny evergreen. The slender pods are green when unripe and turn a chocolate brown upon maturing. Each pod measures from 8 cm to 25 cm in length. The pods contain as many as 25 oval-shaped seeds embedded in a sweet, dry yellow pulp. Sangri pods offers an earthy, nutty flavor that has spice-like notes of cinnamon and mocha. Care mixed with sangri form a pickle called Care Sangri Pickle in Rajasthan, India. Care Sangri is one of the most popular dishes. Care Sangri is a typical desert vegetable. Care Sangri is a kind of a pickle and a tangy side dish that goes well with bajra roti. As an estimate, Care is distributed over 3,540 square kilometers Piedmont plains in Bikaner and Jodhpur districts of Rajasthan, with an estimated annual production of 7,000 tons of fruits. A prime reason for the fruit's significance is the tree's ability to survive in regions where no other vegetation can. Indeed, its only growing requirements are low rainfall, shallow soils, and dry, hot temperatures. Harvesting of Care. Care shrubs bear fruits 2 to 3 times a year, from March through April and again from May through July. If the shrub bears for the third time, it will occur during a winter months from October through November. Nutritional value of Care. Care are rich in protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, and also contains negligible percentage of iron. Nutritional value of sangri. Sangri are rich in minerals such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, zinc, and iron. They are a good source of protein and dietary fiber. Health benefits. Care has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Indian tribes have utilized fruits, roots, and bark to concoct various remedies. In Ayurveda, cappers are hepatic stimulants and have been used for arteriosclerosis, as a diuretic, and as a kidney disinfectant. The bark treats inflammation and acute pain, whereas roots treat fever and the buds alleviate boils. Pickled fruits treat constipation and other stomach ailments. Preparation of Care Sangri Pickle. Wash the drained Care and Sangri 5 to 6 times with water. Soak Care and Sangri separately in water overnight. Strain soaked Care and Sangri to remove excess water. Boil water in a big pan. Once water comes to a boil, add Care and Sangri into it. Add salt and turmeric in it and cook until tender. Sieve boiled Care and Sangri and keep aside and let it dry. Heat oil in a wok, add asafoetida, little crushed dry red chilies,
black cumin,
that is fennel flower, bay leaf, fenugreek seeds,
anise, that is soap.
Allow them to splutter and lower the heat. Now add sieved and boiled sangri and care. And also add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, dried mango powder and mix well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and remove from heat. Mix everything well and allow it to cool down. Packaging and storage. Care Sangri pickle is packaged in food grade poly or metallic pouch or PET jar or glass jar. Pickle can be stored at room temperature until opening the bottle. Till now, we have seen the demonstration of Care Sangri pickle processing in PM-FME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, that is MOFPI, in partnership with the state UT governments, has launched an all-India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme, that is PM-FME scheme, for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.